it's not done completely yet. He has a few more weeks to go, but he's just going to share his experiences. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Abhilash Velamati, and I'm an intern at CGH Technologies. I developed an Android app called Visual NOTAM. So I'm a rising junior at Thomas Jefferson High School for Science and Technology, and I'm interested in mobile app development, artificial intelligence, and robotics and UAV systems. My internship actually started on August 6, 2014, and my project scope was to develop a native Android NOTAM search app and display graphical NOTAMs in a way where anyone can use NOTAMs. It's not just like the pilots or people who are highly specialized. And we utilize data from FAA's NDS web service. So I've been spending 3 weeks on this project, and in those 3 weeks I've understood Android's app framework, which is a little bit complex, but it adds a lot of versatility. And I also learned about the design process, and although I already knew about it, it reinforced what I knew about it, and I understood graphical NOTAM objectives and what they're used for, and basically anything. I didn't know anything to start off with, and now I have a basic idea of how NOTAMs work and everything. So, and right now I have a preliminary design of an Android NOTAM search app. So challenges I ran into along the way was the complexity of the Android framework. I didn't know too much about Android going in, like developing wise, and then now I know where most of the files go and how to access them, and it adds a lot of versatility to the app. And designing compelling user interfaces was another challenge. I want an app that not only like gets people to use it, but it's fun to use and people want to use it again and again. And graphical NOTAMs were initially a little complex for me to understand, and I got through that by reading up on them a lot. And you have to use multiple threads to have an Android device connect to a network, and that was pretty difficult because I've never experienced using multiple threads. And this is the current state of my app. It searches for NOTAMs using the airport designator. So you just type in an airport ID, and then it displays all the NOTAMs for that airport, and then it lists NOTAMs in a user-friendly view. Except it doesn't have graphics yet. I need to get that working with Google Maps, and when you click it, it expands to show a start date and an end date, and it shows the NOTAM number and the NOTAM text in the main view. And my next step is to finish the app implementation, and some things to do for that is to improve the search so that you don't need to just search for the airport ID. You can search the airport's name or anything about the airport, and then you'll get a list of airports that fit the search, and you can just pick the one you want. And also, we want to display NOTAMs on a map whenever possible. And we want to filter NOTAMs by making it so that you can pick a NOTAM type you want to see, like a runway issue or a taxiway. And then we also want to make it fun to use, like Twitter or Facebook or any other like good app. And we want to improve the performance so it runs faster and it doesn't crash, and it runs on most devices. And we also want to release it on the Google Play Store. And all of this was possible because of the availability of digital data in NDS's AIXM service. And this is my contact information. CGH has a booth, and you